For over 90 years, Komatsu has led the industry in the development of innovative technologies. Innovation has always been at the core of Komatsu's DNA. Now, in a major commitment to reducing customers' operating costs and reducing carbon emissions, Komatsu proudly launches their first hybrid excavator. Komatsu's revolutionary hybrid system works on a principle called regeneration. The key component is the unique and innovative Komatsu ultracapacitor system. The kinetic energy generated during the deceleration of every swing is converted to electricity, sent through an inverter and captured by the ultracapacitor. This energy is then discharged very quickly at a high voltage to power the swing motor and to assist the engine when accelerating under different load conditions. This hybrid concept was unattainable using conventional capacitors. But Komatsu pioneered the development of a special ultracapacitor that can store and discharge electricity instantaneously. Actual customer fuel consumption was found to be reduced by as much as 41% when compared to conventional machines. Carbon emissions are reduced by 25%, which over 2,000 operating hours equates to a saving of over 20 tonnes of CO2, or the annual emissions from 30 cars. The 20-tonne hybrid HB205 is powered by the advanced low-emission turbocharged and air-to-air after-cooled diesel engine, which provides 138 horsepower. The hybrid has the same productivity and performance levels as the conventional PC200-8. The innovative Komatsu ROPS cab design assures operator comfort, and a 7-inch LCD monitor provides easy-to-read gauges and onboard diagnostics. The HB205 hybrid doesn't only reduce operating costs. As business and government confront the realities of reducing carbon emissions, environmentally friendly machinery will provide you with a real competitive advantage. Proof that innovation really is the heart and soul of our DNA. The HB205 hybrid excavator from Komatsu.